So there's more characters headed this way. On Main Street it's been pretty non-stop, so we'll give you a glimpse of some more. It does not feel as though anything is lacking without the parades. I actually think this has been way kind of cooler, because you'll just be walking around and all of a sudden you hear the music loud, and next thing you know, there's another cavalcade or another group coming through. This is really cool, this one. Merida's coming down on her horse, followed by the princesses. This is a pretty big one. Most of the cavalcades so far have been like one float, but this is several, tons of princesses. Put my coffee down so I can control this thing a little better. So while they're not doing formal parades and like with announced times, in the last 30 to 45 minutes, this is the 5th cavalcade that's come down Main Street. So there's definitely still tons of experiences going on. We'll come back with more as they come out.